Hi, everybody. Sanbonani. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. So, Singo Zungu Tina, which is a reality show about Tina Zungu's family, who is a gospel singer, is on episode 9 right now. And you guys, I think the show has gone well, you guys. I'm not sure if it has achieved what they were intending to achieve, but I think, you guys, the show has done quite well. Okay, now you guys, listen. I think that Ogogo, Tina's mom, is enjoying the cameras being around. I think that she likes shooting the show. And I think that her and this gift that she has, and her praying and being dramatic, and I think she's enjoying the attention. I really think that, you guys, because I don't think that it's really like her praying and crying and all of that dramatic scene that she was giving us. I don't think it's because what's happening with Ubani Gambe, the other boy. Undumiso is the one that sings, the other one, the younger one. I don't think that it is as serious as they are making it to be. But I think that she likes the attention of the cameras. So there is a part of that scene that is just her enjoying the cameras, enjoying shooting the show. So what happened, you guys, is that Tina's younger son told his mom that he was having nightmares. It turned out that he had been watching this Annabelle movie that has this doll. Apparently, it's a scary doll in the movie that kids watch, and then told his mom that he was having nightmares. The mom told the grandmother. The grandmother thought it's not a good thing for the grandson to be dreaming about a doll. They need to see Umtandazi, and Uzama, and then that Uzama needs to bring the son so that they can go and see Umtandazi. Uzama decides to bring the son so that they can see Umtandazi. Then Ogogo says, listen, but we can't go and see Umtandazi without Utina knowing about Umtandazi, which was weird because I'm like, but why would Uzama decide to bring the boy to go and see Umtandazi with the Gogo without Tina knowing anyway? When Uzama knows ukuthi Tina wouldn't approve of seeing umthandazi. That whole thing was weird, because why would Tina's wife try to do that without Tina's permission? So then when they are on their way to try and get Tina's permission, Ugogo Suga is tunya inside the car and start praying. And then it's all dramatic in the car before they get to Tina. And then they go to the house, and then the dramatics get even more dramatic. When the kids are called now to pray, it gets even more. The kids are all confused because they were playing soccer or they were watching soccer and they just don't want to be there. Anyway, you guys, the conversation obviously between the grandma and Tina was the interesting one, because it's a typical conversation when somebody in the family is a born again Christian, but it's not the whole family. The family they are all Christians, but then Tina is a born again Christian, and the grandmother is a Christian, but she wants to go and see Umtandazi, so she doesn't mind seeing Umtandazi, and she still believes in umsamo and impepho and all of that, and that's how she raised Otina. So that's the point. That's the argument she was trying to make. But that's how I raised you. That's you are where you are today because udlule emsamo yourself. Udlule emsamo, ufakiwe iphandla, uyisiwe kubathandazi and all of that. So how can you refuse for that to be done for your kids? And I feel like we should just go to Umtandazi and hear what this doll situation is about. The firstborn daughter Katina is like, why all the dramatics? Because this boy has been playing with the doll over and above him watching a doll a movie. He was just playing with the doll, which they were saying he must stop playing with the doll. I don't even know why they have a doll, because they don't have ingane ntombazane, because she's a teenager. Ulo, their firstborn, apparently was playing with some doll, which they suspect that maybe that's the one that's giving him nightmares. So they are thinking that the whole thing, you guys, should not even be a big deal. So I guess they're just making it a big deal for the show. So now, okay, so the whole argument now is Gogo wants them to go them Tanda's role. Tina is like, no, but in my family, I'm trying to lead my family different because I am born again. I feel like everything can be resolved through prayer. We are just going to pray this away, and it will be resolved through prayer. And I don't want to start the thing of seeing Abatandas, because if you go see Umtandas is going to tell you light Ikandlela. After Ikandlela, it's going to be Inkoko, and then after Inkoko, it's going to be the goat. After goats, it's Pandla. After it's Pandla, Inkomo. After, and if I say, go do it with him. If I say, okay, I'm not going to do it, but you can go do it with him, we are starting something that I will have to continue to do for them, which I thought, valid argument, really, because the grandmother and the grandfather are not always going to be around. If Utina says, I can't do it for them, but you can do it for them, he will have to continue with those things anyways, because he's the father. So I thought his argument was valid in that, well, if I'm born again and as a father I can't do it for them, then we mustn't do it, because if you start it, then I will have to continue with whatever it is that you have started. I thought that was valid. If there's a role in his house that they are not seeing Umtanas and they are not seeing Isangoma, then he can't hand over his children to his father and mother to go and see Umtandas. Then they ended up praying. Ugogo was screaming, quite dramatic. I really feel like Ugogo is enjoying the attention she's getting from the cameras with the screaming and the whatever. I did like, though, that the conversation between him, Utina, and the grandmother and grandfather was still very respectful, even though it was a conversation where they were not agreeing, because they were not agreeing. Tina was like, we're not singing Inyanga, we're not singing Umtandazi. I hear you, I respect your opinion, but we're not going to do that, because that's not what I'm trying to do with my family, even though I respect the fact that that is how you raised us, but that's not what I'm trying to do with my family. With my family, I just am going to pray. That's all I'm going to do with my family. I did wonder, though, because I do wonder where these gospel artists, nalabafundisi laba online, sometimes when the cameras are not around, do they not give in to say, behind the scenes, do they not do, you understand, part of me was like, I do wonder, though, in a real scenario, because I feel like this one is not really a real scenario, because I feel like this is just something that is created for the reality TV show. I did wonder, like, in a real scenario where they are dealing with a real life situation and a child is sick and they don't have a solution, and the family they would normally go and see Umtandazo, they would normally go and seek help from Isangoma. Would they allow their mother to go take a child to see Sangoma? Will they allow their mother to take the child and see Umtandazi? Because the cameras will not be around to shoot that. I did wonder about that, you guys, or they would put their foot down like they did with the cameras being around. We also did see, you guys, so they ended up just praying, you guys. Ugogo was Nigama Dramatics for the reality show. Listen, Ugogo is a reality show treasure, okay? They must pay Ugogo a bonus, because Usnigama Dramatics that we need for the reality show. So I love Ugogo. We also, you guys, saw Uzama, because Uzama had invited her friends and Pastor Shange's wife for Ilokuzana for the boat ride thing. So she had two of her friends, Uzama and Umamfundisi Ushange, and two of her friends. She said she doesn't have friends. She has one friend who is in Malanga, her friend. So she brought her daughters. But she kept insisting, these are my daughters. These are my daughters from church. I don't know, guys. Look, Umamfundisi Ushange, this is weird. I kind of understand why Uzama is not really interested to be friends with her. Like, I don't know, she's just not a warm person, and she sounds like a person that is complicated to be friends with. It's like it will be exhausting if you had to be friends with her. Like it will be exhausting to be friends with her, and the fact that so when they're sitting at the boards and they're introducing each other, she does not know. Even me, I've only seen Uzama on TV a few times, but I know Zama's best friend by now. But she spent time with Zama, but she does not know Zama's best friend. And she's been around Zama a few times, many times. And she's acting like she's never seen Zama's friend. And I'm like, hi, Sisupagem. Because that's what we've seen Zama's friend like 3 times already. And we already know Uti. Tina's wife's best friend is Lasisi Silwaya. Angimazi igama lakhe but ngiyamazi ukuthi i-best friend kaZama leyayana. But wena awumazi, hayi uphakeme sisi. How ilabantu laba who look over abantu, like mina, I'm only focused on, I'm like, So they go on a boat ride, Uza with her daughters because senumama umfundisi. So I guess abantu who kusho ukuthi abantu aba-converted to the church are her daughters. They're not her friends, they are her daughters. It's weird. So she invited her daughters. She can't call them her friends, they are her daughters. I'm like, how weird is that? Anyway, you guys, I guess they were just hanging out. But the interesting thing about that whole boat ride situation was that the Umfundisi Ushange and Mamfundisi Uzungu and Mamfundisi Ushange was their friendship situation, because she is saying, Mam Shange is saying she's made an effort with Mam Zungu to become friends. And Mam Zungu is saying, listen, she doesn't like to force a friendship. She says she's comfortable with them just knowing each other in a setting yesonto, but she's not interested in becoming friends with Umam Shange. I like the fact that you guys, Uzama was honest about it. And I like the fact that Mam Shange was also able to receive that and not be weird about it and be like, also, are you saying that you are just comfortable knowing me in this setting with Sazane Sonto? And be like, yeah. And I'm not willing to pursue a friendship and still be able to spend time together and be okay with that. Because I think sometimes as people, it's difficult to say to somebody, no, actually I'm not interested in pursuing a friendship with you, but I don't necessarily want to be enemies, but I just don't want to pursue a friendship. But we can still be friendly with each other, but I don't want to be friends. It's difficult to say that to somebody, and that's why I was saying, Uti, I think Nai Uzama can see Uti, this one will be a difficult one to be friends with, because I think even keeping a friendly relationship with her is I think she's a difficult person to deal with, because it's like she keeps a kind of friendship where everything is a complaint. We have an appointment with her, you are late, you have to explain. It's almost like a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, even though it's just a friendship. Anyway, you guys, but the ladies ended up having fun on the boats. Even her, she was saying that she had fun in just hanging out, the girls hanging out, which was great, you guys, because girls need some time to just hang out. Anyway, I think now and then, you guys, it's good for the episode to take time away from that drama. Your Yabafundis, so it's good to we deal with the drama, and then we come back and have a relaxed kind of episode. So this was one of those episodes, and then we go back to Abafundis, which is next week we're going back to, So I think this was one of those, you guys. So it was a more relaxed episode, and I still enjoy it. Okay. I still enjoyed it, you guys. Anyway, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Tell me what you think about, what you thought about this episode. Drama ka Gogo kodwa niyibonile, guys. Am I the only one that thinks ukuthi Gogo is just enjoying the cameras just a little bit too much? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ngithanda kakhulu.